We gotta keep our points. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
So we've just arrived at the tournament. We're about to unload. Check-in starts at 8. And right now it's about 7:55, so we're gonna get unloaded really quick and get on in there.
Yeah, so our lift here, it doesn't fit inside the 18-inch limit, so before we've even had inspection, we have to take this off so this can pass inspection before we even get this bot working. So yeah, it's gonna be rough.
Now we have just delifted our bot. We only have the grabber.
I think I've got an idea, but I'm not sure how well this is going to work. And yeah, I'm not really sure how anything's going to go today. It's all up in the air.
Wait. We just finished our first match. Our claw wasn't low enough, so we couldn't grab the bubble goals or push them either because we only had 2 motors on our tank drive, so we weren't strong enough. So we just were kind of useless the whole match. I think we scored 1 point, but yeah, it was really. We'll try to do better in this next one.
So it doesn't close with enough power, that's why it keeps falling out.
So are we adding the motors first, or
yes,
all right,
motors first.
Then claw.
Yes, so we can push the things around.
Do we even have the right part to lower it down?
Sure. It's low enough. It's not strong. The claw is not strong enough.
So just finished our second match, and we broke halfway through the chain for our 3rd and 4th motor that we just attached beforehand. It snapped off, so we weren't able to drive. So yeah, we're gonna try to get fixed for our 3rd match. And just try to make it a little bit more durable so we can withstand some hits. So Chase, what's going on?
I'm trying to fix the drivetrain here because something's just not been working. It's not strong enough, so I'm trying to swap the chains around so I can make it drive a little bit stronger, so we can push goals around better.
So we just finished our 3rd match. We got everything fixed pretty well. Nothing broke off. But we were playing defense a lot this game. We weren't testing the claw as much because the bot we were with wanted to play offense and us to do defense. So yeah, hopefully this next match, the 4th match, we'll be able to see how our claw works and how our goal carrier works. So yeah, it'll be fun. Our last few matches, or our match 4, we didn't break, but we weren't aggressive enough. We didn't start taking the goals right away. We were focusing on rings. And that we only got 2 points out of it, so we didn't really benefit at all. So we're gonna try to be a little bit more, try to go after the goals a little bit more. So we just finished our 6th or 7th match. Yeah, we did pretty well. We started shoving the goals around the back of our bot, which is a little bit more strong, and it prevents the chains in the front from breaking. And we were able to consistently move them around, which was really nice. And yeah, at the end, we were trying to get our alliance partner up on the ramp, and I think that would have decided the game. If we would have pushed him up a little bit farther and balanced, then we probably would have won. So yeah, we'll see how we do in this next one.
Driver control, go!
Alright, we just finished the alliance selection. We didn't get picked, so we got paired up with the last place team by default. So we're gonna see if we can make it work.
Driver control, go!
Go. Up. Put down. Back. There. Now back. Let go. Now go grab that one. Grab it. Grab it. Down. Down. No. Up. Down. Down.
You're messing up the
Down.
turn.
Back. Back. There we go. That'll work. That'll work. Okay. There we go. Okay. Grab one. Grab. Okay. Grab the other one. That one. Okay. That worked. That worked. Go. Go for a yellow. Grab a yellow. Oh, we got it. We got it. We got it. There we go. Down. 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 Go up. Down. Down. Let go. Let go. Go. Stop it. Go. Go for it. Yes, no, block him. Block him. Block him. Block him. Block them. Block them. Block them.
Make sure you
Block them.
Oh no, it's gonna walk him.
Sorry, trying to block him. No, almost.
No, we
We
have
have
four.
more goals, but they have rings. Yeah. It's gonna be close.
But they have a penalty.
Oh, they do?
Driver control, go!
Okay, go. Go grab it. Down. Down, back. Now go. Let go. Let go. Quick. Quick release. Up. Up. Down. Down. Up. Down. There we go. There we go. Let go. There we go. Now block him. Block him.
Not gonna happen, sir.
You're fine, Chase, you're fine. Okay, look. Just let go. Hold on. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Try to push it up. Try to push it up. That's fine, Chase. That's fine. Okay, now go try to grab. Go grab the red. Go grab the red, Chase. Go grab the
But we're
red.
trying to defend.
No, there.
But no, we gotta keep our points.
Okay.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah.
There goes the untangle.
Block it. Keep grab it. Grab it. Down.
Hit it. Get the yellow.
Down.
I'm trying to. He messed up the.
Can't touch that. Oh, 30 seconds.
30-second warning.
Keep it in. Go grab that one. Fine, Chase, push it. There we go. Go grab that one.
No.
Chase, grab the one over there. Quick. Grab the one over there. Quick. Go quick. Go fast. Go fast.
Working on it.
I'm gonna try to delay that.
That's why I don't feel that
Go.
Thank
Go.
you, good sir.
Go quick. Quick. Down. Get back. That's So overall, I felt we had a good tournament. We started off without having a working goal carrier, and we couldn't even push the goals around because our tank drive wasn't strong enough, and we we had no purpose. There's nothing we could do in a game to help our alliance out. We were just kind of driving around and braking most of the time. So, but luckily, this guy over here got fixed up.
Yeah, I'm really excited with how this tournament went because we were able to get a working claw. So that now it's a giant step towards getting our robot completed. So I think it's just going to really help us improve in the future.
And towards the end, we were able to efficiently grab the goals and bring them back to our side. But I still think that we can get better at that. We need to still, even though we were very efficient, we need to just keep getting better at quickly grabbing the goals so that we get a head start off of at the beginning of the match. And yeah, our next tournament is in about 2 weeks. It'll be over in Lovejoy, and yeah, we'll just keep moving forward.